Namaskar. Do you know that your intestine may contain food particles which you had eaten more than 1 year back? Faulty food habits, faulty lifestyle, and indigestion can cause accumulation of food in your intestine. And these accumulated food can become toxin and would be responsible for many diseases in our system like skin problem, cancer, malabsorption, and indigestion. And it is highly essential to detox your colon. Here are some easy ways to do it. Number 1, Shankha Prakshalan. This is one of the most effective kriya to clean the entire small intestine and large intestine. So let's do first the preparation. Early in the morning with empty stomach, you have to have practically 10 glasses of boiled warm water, and in that water put salt. The proportion of salt should be like a proportion of your tears. How salty your tears are, that much salty the water should be. And now take 1 or 2 long breaths. Start drinking this water. Practically 3 glasses of water you can drink, and then do some body movements, some asanas, to see that it really churns in the stomach and passes down to small and large intestine. So now the list of asana, I would recommend few asana. First, talasana. Stand straight, raise your arms up, inhale fully, go on your toe, stay there for some time and come back rotating your arms. Do this 6 times. Full inhalation, stretching and coming back in normal position. Second, like konasana. Interlace your fingers, stretch your arm up and then go to the side. So breathe in, go to the side. So you are bending on the side and pressing your abdomen from this side. Come back and do it on the other side. Do this 6 times again. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. So this is second asana. Third asana could be vakrasana. Stand straight, your legs together here. Stretch your arms straight and then twist. Go to the side. So here you are twisting your abdomen. So go to the side and come back. Go on the other side and come back. So while breathing out, you are going to the side. While breathing in, you are coming back. Do the same on the other side. So this also should be done 6 times. Fourth asana could be Kati Chakrasana, where you are again twisting but looking as back as possible with one hand on your shoulder, another hand behind. So do these movements where really your spine, the middle vertebral columns are getting twisted, and so the abdomen. So this Kati Chakrasana also you should do 6 times. Fifth variation is Bhujangasana with little variant, twisting variant. So lie down on your stomach, raise your head up while inhaling and then look back to see your big toe on one side and then on the other side. So this is how you are twisting your upper head from one side to another side, by which you are twisting your stomach, intestines and so on. So do this, it's a beautiful practice. And finally, sit in Vajrasana position. It's like an abdominal compression, and move one knee up and another knee pressing to the other side. So it is like bringing knees up and down with little pressure on each other. So this is something where you are squeezing your stomach and giving a pressure on your stomach. Sitting is beautiful. So try and do these simple asanas repeatedly. In between, if you feel like passing out, you have a feeling that the motion is coming, go and evacuate your bowels. Again come, again drink water. But always remember that whenever you are drinking water, you are drinking sip by sip, not just gulping it. It has to be slow and sip by sip. So drink water again, 2 glasses, and again do all these asanas. Whenever you feel pressure that you want to pass out motion, you should immediately go and pass out motion. So this sort of an activity should go on and on till the water which comes out from your anus becomes absolutely clean water without any color. And this shows that your entire alimentary canal is totally clean, washed well, and it is free from toxins. This Shankha Prakshalan you should do on a holiday where you don't have to rush to work. You will be feeling tired because it is something very different for your body, but body would definitely be detoxed. The food which you would be eating for 2 days would be nothing else but sufficient amount of fruits, sufficient amount of boiled vegetables, where vegetables don't have any spices, chili, masalas or anything, onion, garlic, all these things should not be there. Non-veg is out of question. And lemon juice, buttermilk, diluted milk. These are the things which you should be eating for 2 days, little time, that is 4 times in a day. But what is important is good rest. You should be lying down in Shavasana. You should be lying down in Makarasana. You should sit and relax in Nispanda Bhav. You should be doing only these things for 2 days. Rest thoroughly well, sufficiently well. Then you will notice that from 3rd day onward, your energy would be boosting. You would be full of energy, positivity, enthusiasm and strength. In food, be very clear that don't eat any packeted food, any fried stuff, oily stuff, spicy stuff. Just avoid that. Be clean from within, fibrous from within, and that would be wonderful. One point all of you should remember, that when you do this Shankha Prakshalan, you should not force yourself in drinking too much water. Whatever is your body capacity, try to see that you drink only that much. If you feel uneasy, stop it. Asanas also, whatever your capacity is, do that. If you feel fatigued and tired, stop it. And this is how slowly, with patience, you should do this practice, and this would give you very good results. In some cases, the constitution is so different that they may not pass stool only. Don't worry, your body would be urinating, and body will take care of all these things. But cleanliness definitely will happen. In 1 or 2 days, you will notice that everything is clear and fine. This Shankha Prakshalan practice should not be done so repeatedly, maximum once in a month. Or I would say, when you feel after 3-4 months that you have been eating wrong food very often, or your body has lots of toxins, then you do it according to your requirement, but not regularly in any case. Well, those who have very severe ulcer problem, when acidity has gone so bad that it is creating ulcer problem, should not do this. Those who have heart problem should never try this out. Second technique to clean your entire intestine is fibrous food. Fibrous food is something which people ignore because they have to chew, it takes time, and so they want to ignore it. But understand, these fibers acts like a scrub brush which brushes away all the unwanted things from the intestine, and hence it helps in preventing constipation and colon cancer. Try to add more vegetables and fruits in your diet because they are very rich in fibers. All these things like salads, which we can eat regularly, it could be cucumber, it could be tomato, it could be carrot, should be eaten regularly. Cut small slices, and with little lemon peeling on that and little salt touch, you can really eat these things. It is very good. Second, plate of fruit must be one meal of your day as far as possible. It could be either just breakfast or it could be evening snack. A full plate of fruits like apple, papaya, banana, mosambis, santra, depending upon the seasons, the other fruits should be taken very regularly. It could be in the evening at snack time, just eat fruits and lemon juice, that would be your best snack time. Or sometimes some people may have it in the morning or in between 2 meals, say by 10 to 11, you can have a plate of fruit separately. But use this, and that would help in good fibers into your system. Third, detox substance is lemon juice. Studies show that vitamin C is highly effective in cleaning colon. So, have a glass of warm water with lemon squeezed in early in the morning. Understand one thing very clearly, that hydration is very important for the health of colon. So make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day. Proper hydration works wonders. But remember, you should always drink water when you are thirsty. You should drink water sip by sip and not gulp it. Sit and drink water, but water should be given importance in your day-to-day activity. Half an hour before your food, remember and drink a glass of water, and 1 hour after your food, also remember and drink 1 glass of water. And with meals, you must have a glass full of some liquid. In the morning, herbal drink; in the afternoon, buttermilk; in the evening, lemon juice again; and at night, a big bowl of soup. And first thing in the morning, again, a lemon juice. You start your day with that. Your body would be naturally hydrated and it would help removing all the toxins from your system. Fourth, probiotics like curd. Curd undoubtedly is the best food for your gut health. The lactobacillus enzyme prevents all such problems like flatulence, indigestion, and all other digestive issues. And it helps in proper bowel movement, proper absorption, assimilation, and thereby helps in clearing your intestine. Fifth point, Mandukasana. This is one of such an asana. When you give intra-abdominal compression very, very effectively, there are 3 variations. In these 3 variations, first variation is keep your palm over your navel, another above that palm, and then breathe in, stretch your body, breathe out and bend forward to try to touch your head to the ground. So here the hand is pressing inwards and you are staying in that position for some time and you are coming back. You are giving forced abdominal pressure. Second, bring your hands in this position where the fingertips are touching each other. Last 2 fingers downwards and the thumb on the upper area. So you are holding your stomach strongly and then you are bending forward in the same position, staying there for some time and coming up. And the third variation is you clench your wrist, keep it below navel on both the sides, and then press it strongly on your stomach, and while that bending forward. Stay in that position for some time where you are really giving pressure down and coming up relaxed. So these are the variation of Mandukasana, and this would really help in cleansing your abdomen, your small intestine as well as your large intestine to great extent. Colon hygiene would be maintained very perfectly. Remember, your gut health largely determines your overall health. Only when you have proper digestion, proper absorption and proper elimination, then your body is going to absorb all the nutrients very perfectly, and because of that you will be strong and healthy. But when these things don't happen properly, the deposited toxins are going to create a havoc in your health, right from skin problem to hair fall, down to blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, asthma, to many other diseases, joint pains, to name any disease, it would create that. Toxins, unhygienic condition is going to create unhygienic atmosphere in our body. And so see to it that we follow all these instructions which we have given you right now. Follow it systematically and see that you are clean internally. Mind has to remain clean in any case, and this will happen when you will be full of energy, full of positivity, and that is possible with all these techniques. So try and see that you stay clean internally, have a clean thoughts, have a clean feelings, and have a positive energy with you. So take charge of yourself, Stay healthy. Namaskar.